We have three areas where we think we're different to everybody else. Number one, we try to be client-led at all times. We don't go together with a bespoke program. We want to have a program where the client has designed the material, the client has designed the delivery, and we're delivering what the client wants at all times. Secondly, what makes us different, we think, is the ability to use industry experts. All of our team are generated from engineering and manufacturing all around the country for many, many years. They've lived and breathed manufacturing all their lives. And then finally, we deliver 6 national qualifications, internationally recognised. They're transferable skills, they make a difference, and we use those skills to solve live problems in the workplace. Rather than theoretical problems, we take real issues and solve them using our training. We've had over 5,800 adult apprentices come through the programme. 3,500 of those have already completed in full. We're currently working with about 1,700 learners nationally. We have currently got 3 outstanding awards for observations of teaching and learning. And I guess our proudest moment of the last 6 months is Eastleigh College, our biggest funding provider at the moment. They have just awarded us Training Provider of the Year for exemplar work, basically learning and development out in engineering and manufacturing.
Our academy is selected from a national group of apprentices, over 8,000 applicants per year, and this operation is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So these guys are residential with us for up to 2 whole academic years, which is a real opportunity for us, and we take that opportunity seriously. The main difference for these guys is that the environment they work in, the teaching and learning environment, is exactly that they'll find in their place of work. We have individual fitness plans for all of our apprentices. So they are lifestyle, eating, sports and well-being programs. Now what you're seeing is just a small part of the leadership program that covers 3 years and ends with the opportunity for these guys to be in the Junior Field Gun Championship with the Royal Navy. We instill values into the apprentices by a number of activities, one being a trip to Budapest in their first year where they raise money for an orphanage and a drug rehabilitation society. They also in year 2 travel abroad to do a crossing borders activity where they need to organise and plan a trip across 3 borders independently and in another country learning the language. This is a forward torpedo room of HMS Alliance, a 1940s submarine. The apprentices create working maintenance schedules and procedures for this submarine. It gives them confidence to apply their skills in the workplace, where they will be questioned in the workplace. Can you do this?
We work with many companies all over North Wales and the northwest of England, providing apprenticeships and employer-led training. We've probably got about 550 apprentices being trained in various manufacturing sectors, and I think that the key thing that we try and do is work with employers and give them what they want. We don't necessarily say we're going to do a course and provide a course. We talk to them, we listen to their needs, and we tailor training to suit. What I'm probably most proud of is my apprenticeship programs. We work very closely with Airbus. We've got a number of apprentices, adult apprentices, apprenticeships and higher and undergraduate apprenticeships, and it's a true partnership. I've got 15 members of my team, College Cambria team, based in Airbus. They're full-time and they deliver MVQ training programs actually on site.
Working with a college, we introduced an experiential learning programme for the apprentices, whereby we send them up to the Lake District for a week, where they learn the company's behaviours, values. Also they cover off their wider key skills within the week. So that's an innovative way of working to capture both the company's needs and the college's needs.